How to download Dune Awakening. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about downloading the Dune Awakening. So it is available on Steam as of June 8, 2025. The official release date is June 10, 2025. Players who pre-ordered the Deluxe or Ultimate Edition received early access starting June 5th, 2025. So you need to open the Steam client on your PC and search for Dune Awakening. Choose your edition, Standard, Deluxe, or Ultimate and add it to your cart. Tap on this Add to Cart option, which is highlighted in green color, and then after purchase the game. Now find Dune Awakening in your Steam library and click on Install to download and install the game. And after installation, you can launch the game from your Steam library, and the game might require an initial setup or launcher to configure the settings before playing. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.